We welcome you all to the webinar VConnect. This webinar is aimed to introduce you all to VGSOM, the institute you all must be awaited to be a part of. Vinod Gupta School of Management, VGSOM, was set up as the first school of management within the IIT system in 1993. With the support of a distinguished alumnus and a lifetime fellow of the institute, Mr. Vinod Gupta, the former CEO and chairman of Infogroup, VGSOM is constantly working towards upgrading the quality in management education, high quality research, and better industry connect over the years. VGSOM offers various degree programs that include the flagship program, Master of Business Administration, and Doctor of Philosophy. School also offers the Master of Business Administration for executives, which is a 3-year course for working professionals. The vision of the school is to develop as a center of excellence in management education and research, catering to the needs of the organization in different sectors of the economy, with special emphasis on the technology driven and knowledge based industries that are characterized by high degrees of globalization, dynamism, complexity, and innovation. The mission of this school is to develop outstanding management professionals and future CEOs who will lead organizations, especially in technology driven and knowledge based industries, in the service of the nation and community. Now I pass on for the next proceedings to Shripanna Patra.
Hello everyone. Thank you, Romani. I hope you all might have had a glance into VGSOM's history to having one of the largest libraries in Asia and a faculty base with a diverse range of experience and expertise from the academics and industry, both in India and abroad. However, VGSOM is much more than its rich legacy. The lush green campus and the enigma of this place is made to intrigue you. But then, why should I spill the beans so soon? Let's have a small round and find out what you are looking in for here. I request everyone to log into menti.com. Ashik, could you go to the next slide? I request everyone to go to menti.com and then put this code. Once they have put this code, I want everyone to just write one word that comes to your mind when you think about VGSOM. Pedagogy, okay. Heritage. Kharagpur, definitely. Prestige. Keep the answers coming, guys. Let's see what you think about it. ROI. That's what we are proud of it too. Cycles. Dream college. I'm glad. Legacy and innovation. Well. Awesome, guys. It seems like you guys are wanting a lot from us, but I see. Big campus. This thing, guys. Bengal, okay. Campus you should be at. Even I agree to this. Okay. So I guess we would stop taking responses out here. Well, let's see if VGSM stands by your expectations, but I'm sure it's going to offer you a lot more. So I'd request Abhishek to take it up from here.
Thank you, Shripanna. So now let's hear it from our Honorable Dean Sir, Mr. Pradeep Kumar Ray, to shed some light on VGSOM, its journey since its inception, and what we stand for.
I welcome you to Vinod Gupta School of Management, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, founded more than a quarter of a century ago in 1993 as the first management school in IIT system with the generous support of its illustrious alumnus. Vinod Gupta School of Management has grown to its present level of maturity on its continuous path of improvement while imparting education in the field of management. With untiring effort, unceasing support, knowledge and leadership of its highly qualified and devoted faculty members and motivated students and researchers, the school stands today as one of the first 5 best ranked management institutes in the country. The school have been offering a number of well-designed education and training programs such as full-time MBA, executive MBA, and the Tri-Institute Postgraduate Diploma in Business Analytics or PGDBA program for industry professionals, and numerous short and long duration training programs for organizations in different sectors of the national economy, promoting a personalized learning for the students and the researchers and self-development in knowledge in the state-of-the-art problem-solving approaches among faculty members of the school, a long-standing collaboration with a number of leading internationally acclaimed management and business school exists for promoting joint research and exchange programs for the students and the faculty members of Vinod Gupta School of Management. The school possesses education and good quality infrastructure and computers, including the softwares in different domains, and the library facilities of the school catering to the needs of a large number of students and growing number of faculty members and facilitating introduction of new educational programs and the research and case development cell for meeting constantly changing societal needs. Over the years, the placement record of the students and the researchers of the school remain excellent with growing illustrious alumni. A strong relationship exists among several industries, multinational companies and the school. The strong foundation thus created over a period of say 25 years would help the school grow and reach to greater heights of the success in coming years. I am 100% confident. With your joining the school as a student in MBA program, I am sure that you will have a very good career in future, and the kinds of knowledge you gain, you will have 100% confidence in solving new and challenging problems as a member of the management group of any organizations with devotions and dedication. I welcome you once again to the VGSM of IIT Kharagpur.
All of you present here have hate CAT and got a call for interview from VGSOM. So the decision of why VGSOM has already been made. But for the people who are still wary, we, the admission committee, present to you a video which will give you a glimpse of the holistic atmosphere, campus, education, and various other activities that bring life into VGSOM. We made sure to cover all the topics from education to various facilities available in the campus. We hope you enjoy and get few of the answers that you're seeking through the webinar from the video.
I welcome you.
The Vinod Gupta School of Management was founded by distinguished alumnus and lifetime fellow of IIT Kharagpur, Mr. Vinod Gupta. Being the oldest school of management in the IIT ecosystem, VGSOM has constantly ranked among the top B schools in the country by several ranking bodies. VGSOM is an integral part of the IIT Kharagpur campus of 2100 acres. Social interactions and cultural events are a primary part of campus life, ensuring a homely feeling. The education at VGSOM goes beyond the syllabus and includes a host of functional conclaves, fests, and competitions. To foster academic and extracurricular activities, the state-of-the-art teaching facilities, the central library with a dedicated online digital section, students' gymkhana, and Olympic-sized swimming pool contribute to learning and effective education. The school has 12 Bloomberg terminals to carry out economic and financial research and provide students with opportunities to do certificates in the field. To create global leaders, VGSOM entered into a collaboration with the Singapore Management University with its latest initiative, the SMU IIT Kharagpur. The program includes innovative student projects, synergizing research and teaching staff among other activities. VGSOM is a path bearer in nurturing future leaders and has contributed in imparting management education over the last 27 years.
I hope you all got a good glimpse of the VGSOM's education and facilities that the school provides. However, VGSOM student-driven clubs and committees play a pivotal role in shaping the career path and providing holistic growth opportunities for the students at VGSOM. VGSOM has a total of 19 clubs and committees. Let's have a sneak peek into the clubs and committee activities at VGSOM.
The Placement Committee at Vinod Gupta School of Management, IIT Kharagpur, strives towards sustaining VGSOM's position as one of the prominent destinations for many of India's prestigious corporate organizations.
We open a multitude of opportunities for both the participating recruiters as well as the enthusiastic students through the summer and final placements. Here, the students provide innovative solutions to real-world business problems.
We are a student-driven body of profoundly energetic individuals endeavoring to achieve excellent placement opportunities in terms of the domains offered and the corporates to work with. We also collaborate with company executives to organize industrial workshops, live projects, and corporate competitions.
The Entrepreneurship Cell of Vinod Gupta School of Management is a student-run body that strives to promote the ethos of entrepreneurship among the students at VGSOM. Our mission is to accelerate the entrepreneurial ambition and turn our institute into the catalyst for entrepreneurial initiatives. For this, we have conducted various national-level events such as Vichar, Srijan, with a very exciting cash prizes. In the campus, we have also conducted events like Socha Hai, Shark Tank, and Laveta Pitch. Even the online semester did not deter the performance of ESEL, and we have been able to provide abundant opportunities to the students, such as winter internship, live project, and LBOC. We have associated with leading startups in the domain of consulting, sales and marketing, analytics, etc. ESEL has managed to have nearly all the winter internship online this year with a very good stipend. This has helped the student in increasing their domain knowledge.
Corporate and Media Interaction Cell of the Vinod Gupta School of Management, IIT Kharagpur, is responsible for providing platforms for academic corporate synergy, which helps us push the goals of seamlessly blending management and technology. The annual HR Conclave and the Leadership Summit, which are the highlights of our corporate engagement endeavors, put forth ideas from the stalwarts of corporate world that have carved out new thought processes and perspectives in the young minds. Also, Varta and Pratyaksh are our guest lecture series, which are designed for interactions from the eminent personalities of the corporate world.
Since we have been confronted by this pandemic, we did not leave any stone unturned to shift every experience online. It was a unique experience to conduct the HR conclave online last year. Also, our online leadership talk series Vakya continued to facilitate constant engagement with corporate leaders and knowledge domain experts to complement the academic understanding of business with corporate perspectives. CMI also manages the visibility and footprint of the institute over a wide range of social media platforms, complementing a journey towards international acclaim.
The Alumni Committee aims at maintaining a cordial relationship with alumni of our VGSOM, and it has always been exorbitant and diligent in carrying out its activities. The committee creates, nurtures, and maintains valuable relationships with the efficacious alumni of the institute. It hosts guest lectures called Dhwani with alumni throughout the year, which enables students to acquire and improve their knowledge on various aspects of MBA. During Purvodaya, the annual Management Fest, we organize the Leadership Talk Series Reminiscence, where notable alumni of VGSOM share their valuable knowledge on various domains.
We also conduct one-to-one alumni mentorship programs to aid the junior batch in acquiring and building their knowledge upon domains of their interest. Under its publication, the committee rolls out monthly newsletter VGSOM Diaries, video feature series Kaleidoscope, and the annual magazine NSYNC. The committee ensures regular engagement with the alumni and engages in professional networking activities. We are perseverant in our attempts and strive hard to offer assistance to the students through our significant alumni. Through the committee, we offer easiest route to lifelong learning to our current as well as former students.
I hope you all must have enjoyed the video. So VGSOM is not all about classroom studies and attending lectures. The dynamism of VGSOM's academic life spills out of the classrooms. The annual B School Festival of VGSOM, which is Purvodaya, is one of such events where students come together and conduct many national level events where people from different B school participate. The upcoming video will give a glimpse into the dynamic and vibrant life that every VGSOM students enjoy.
Purvodaya, the annual B-School Fest of VGSOM IIT Kharagpur, is an amalgamation of events comprising all domains of business and management. Spread across 3 days, it provides an ideal platform for today's budding innovators to hone and test their mettle against their peers. We create an environment where students across India prove themselves in multiple domains like finance, consulting, operations, and marketing. Apart from that, we host our flagship events, Samvad, Leadership Summit, Reminiscence, and various CSR initiatives that impart the budding managers with skills to be socially responsible citizens.
With the challenge of COVID-19, Purvodaya surged forward despite all odds and proved that we could rise again through resilience. It successfully carried out all the extravaganza of the offline version and went even up a notch by receiving record registrations for all the events. What Purvodaya 21 has proved is that only those with resilience can excel in these challenging times.
Karma.
The 2022 batch, being the first one to kick off their MBA journey in virtual mode, we have a lot to share with you. But due to time constraint, we have two of our batchmates here to share their experience about VGSOM. We have Aditi Garg, first year MBA student, VGSOM, IIT Kharagpur. She is BTech in Computer Science Engineering and has a work ex of Performance Engineering for 2 years. Let's hear from Aditi.
Thank you, Ashwati, and hello everyone. So my CAT journey started in April 2019, and I started preparing for GDPI rounds post the CAT exam. So my preparation was divided into 3 sections. Like the first one was about the latest happenings, ongoing topics, which are in the various industries. Second being the academic subjects of my BTech, about the job role and associated projects. And third was the hygiene questions like why MBA, why me, etc. Then coming to my VGSOM interview experience, which was an online PI round, there were 2 panelists. It was a very maths heavy interview, I would say. I was asked questions on graphs, probability, then some general questions like how will you decide if a business is worth an investment or not, some basic questions on economics, etc. Also, a few questions on my work experience, like how my experience can help me in my MBA journey. And the interview ended with questions on my hobby. So it went on for around 20 to 25 minutes, and it was one of the most seamless process I had, thanks to the admission committee. I decided to go for VGSOM as it was among the top 5 B school in India. I felt that VGSOM fulfills all the parameters which I look for in my dream college. And now that I look back, I'm extremely happy that I took this decision. My MBA journey so far has been quite eventful. I was a bit hesitant of the online mode at first. However, thanks to all the seniors and faculty at VGSOM, I was able to onboard virtually with ease. The institute has provided the best infrastructure to study and participate in extracurricular activities while sitting at the comfort of our homes. And the support from my batchmates has been great. We work on case studies, assignments, group discussions via video conferencing, and it has been altogether a very different learning experience. I get to interact with people from diverse backgrounds, which adds to my knowledge. And these days, we are actively participating in case competitions, and our efforts have really paid off well. Occasionally, we have some time to spare, and we organize virtual meets for casual interactions. And there are also regular events organized by various clubs and committees of VGSOM to keep the fun element alive. So overall, it has been going very well so far, and I would like to wish you all very best for the upcoming process.
Next, we have Nandagopal ji with us. He is also currently a first year MBA candidate at VGSOM IIT Kharagpur. He completed his BTech in civil engineering and later on worked as a client partner at a leading analytics firm for about 2 years before joining VGSOM. Let's hear what he has to say.
Thank you for the introduction, Ashwati. Good evening, everybody. I felt Aditi explained very well regarding her interview experiences and her journey at VGSOM so far. So what I thought of focusing more on today was one question which every candidate should do a proper research on and should be expecting for the interviews as well, which is why do you want to pursue an MBA and that too from VGSOM? So like several others mentioned before, VGSOM is the oldest B school within the IIT ecosystem. And the advantage with that is that you have the entire IIT infrastructure at your disposal. There are plenty of electives offered. You can take up micro specializations as well. And there are a whole host of opportunities at your disposal. This will actually help you leverage and gain your business and technical acumen as well. This is also in line with the Institute's mission to develop managers and professionals who can lead organizations specifically in the technology-driven industries. So I guess most of you would be engineers and would be having some corporate exposure as well. VGSOM will provide you with ample opportunities to stay within your current domain of work experience or pursue a career in any other industry as well. The MBA batch also brings to you the highest amount of academic, cultural, and professional diversity at your disposal. A testament to this is actually the trust that our recruiters have put in our students by extending them multiple offers across different roles and profiles. An important aspect which cannot be overlooked is the ease with which the Institute shifted to an online mode of education, and that too for the past 5-6 months. I personally never thought that the transition would be so smooth and seamless. Yes, I mean, it is true that you would miss out on these face-to-face interactions, but it is what it is. And it'll take some time to get used to the new environment. But the good thing about being online is that you don't have to, wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning, cycle 3 kilometers and attend a lecture. So that is one good thing. But let me be frank with you, there has been no compromise in the quality of education that has been given to us over here. So even if it's in an online mode, you still need to stay attentive in class because you never know anytime the professor might pull up your name and ask you a question. And there is also no shortage in the amount of quizzes. There are also regular case study discussions as well. So, and obviously the placements have been held at a virtual mode this year. So VGSOM has definitely adapted to the new normal. And even I feel very, pleasant and good to share my experience and journey with all of you guys present over here. Even I remember being curious and clueless 1 year ago. It is totally normal, guys. So I would suggest all of you to reach out to the AdCom members, get all your queries sorted, do proper research before joining the Institute, and prepare well for the interviews as well. I hope to see most of you guys on campus next year. All the very best.
Thank you, Nandagopal. Now, candidates, we'll be moving into the Q&A session. Well, registering for the webinar today, we asked for some queries to you, and we are glad the questions have been received, and we'll be answering a major of them also. So we'll begin with the Q&A session. Ashay, can you take up the first few questions?
So the first question which we've got is about the technical compatibility details of the platform and what happens if someone gets disconnected due to technical glitch from the interview. So whenever your interview is scheduled, 2 days before that you'll get your Zoom link, and any version of Zoom would work. There is no compatibility issues with the version, so you can be rest assured you can use any version of Zoom. And answering the second part, if you get dropped out of the meeting or the interview, you need to connect with any of the AdCom members immediately. I would suggest at least keep two of the AdCom members' contact details handy with you so that you can contact them ASAP. So I hope this answers the question. And the second question which we've got is about the winter internship opportunities at the college. So yes, we do have winter internship and live project opportunities at the campus, and when the video was played about the clubs and committees, the winter internship statistics was also displayed. So yes, ESL brings these internship opportunities, and you can leverage these out. So these are the questions. Now moving on to the next question, I would like Rumani to take it.
Yeah, moving on to the next questions we have. one question which says, will there be any extempore in the PI round or not? Well, to answer the question, there is no exclusively any round held for exclusively for the PI. However, it depends on the panel where you will be allotted for the interview, whether they would be giving you any impromptu questions or impromptu topic to speak upon to test your speaking ability. That's absolutely on the discretion of the panel members. So, hope this answers the question. Next question we have, does VGSOM have dual specialization? So I would say no. There is, does VGSOM have dual specialization? So no, VGSOM offers the general management course. You have the choice to take up electives and make your MBA curriculum as per your choice in the second year, of course. Along with this, you have the choice to simultaneously pursue the micro specialization in business analytics, along with the flagship course, that is the MBA 2 years program. For more details, you can visit the admissions website and check out the details there. Next questions will be taken up by Shiparna.
Hello, everyone. So the next question that we have got around here is, are there EWS seats reserved? If there are, then how many? Well, we have 10% of our seats reserved for the EWS category, but then the cutoff for the EWS category remains the same as that of the general category. Coming to the next question. So, does the semester system make the course more or less rigorous compared to the trimester system of other eminent B schools? Well, to answer this question, I'd like to say that it is equally rigorous, and equally you'll be studying there, but you'll have an added advantage of having some kind of winter internships in the winter break as well, with the fact that Nandagopal already mentioned that you don't have to wake up too early and rush to your classrooms. So yeah, you will be having a lot more opportunities to pursue some kind of internships in the breaks. So yeah, I hope that answers your question. So next, I would like to Abhishek to take it up.
Thank you, Shipanna. The next question is, any ideas on the batch size this year, and what is the typical gender ratio of the batch? So as you know, the batch size varies year to year, and this year the batch size is 170 seats that we have, and the gender ratio in VGSOM is pretty healthy as compared to other B schools. Exact details you can get it from our admission brochure. So any other details you can check our admission website. Yeah, that answers the question, I hope. The second question, what is the scope for operations management at VGSOM? Is there any difference in pedagogy as compared to other B schools in India? So VGSOM, as you have already understood, that it is a fraternity and IIT ecosystem, and it provides wide variety of courses and opportunities of people from all backgrounds, not only from operations. Also, being under the IIT fraternity, it offers excellent platform for students wanting to go for operations. So it is, if you want to do some technical courses along with the commercial, if you want to hone that knowledge, then IIT is the place for you. Yeah, and you can also go through our placement brochure to look at the companies that come for the recruitment. I hope that answers the question. Next, Ashwati will be taking care of.
Thank you, Abhishek. As expected, we have been bombarded with a lot of questions of how to prepare with PI. But before I start answering those, I would like to inform everybody that we, the admission committee, had our latest series called Last Lap. We have 5 episodes, and it almost covers the experience of our batch on an online interview. The questions asked, how to answer it, etc. So I hope all of you should go check it out on YouTube. It will give you a broader picture. I'll now try to answer most of the questions related to PI. There have been questions about computer science graduation, electrical, etc., how they should prepare for PI. Everybody should be having a basic knowledge of their bachelor's. If you have in-depth knowledge on one of the subject or so, which is your favorite subject, it is an added advantage, because if by chance an interviewer asks you your favorite subject and wants to dwell into it to see how much you're interested in it, it would be your advantage to drive the interview. So please go through the subjects that you had during your bachelor's and make sure to deep dive into one of the subjects that you feel is your strong point. And for the people with work ex, may it be 1 year, 2 year, or 3.5 year, irrespective of the years, I request all of you to know your role properly, what your responsibilities over there, and also to explain it in layman terms to the faculty or the person who is interviewing you. Because the person sitting in front of you may not know the exact terms that you're going to use for your role description. So be prepared to explain it in layman terms so that they understand what you're actually up to. Will there be GD or VAT process? No, there is no GD or VAT process. It's directly PI. And also take care of the general knowledge. The basic general knowledge is the requirement for an MBA candidate. So make sure you go through the newspapers and have a basic general knowledge. Apart from this, few of the subjects that you can brush up are probability, statistics. These probability, anyways, you guys had brush up during the CAT itself. So it won't be a big issue because professors tend to ask these questions during interview. Next, the question that we had obtained was, what are the documents that will be required for the PI process? As it's already mentioned in the call letter that you received, CAT scorecard, original mark sheets, and the degree certificate from class 10 till graduation or post-graduation, original work ex document, original certificate supporting your qualifications or achievements that you have mentioned in your application form, and original category certificate. There are 2 slots every day. There are 2 schedules every day. One, the morning, and then the evening one. You'll be getting your Zoom link 2 days prior to your scheduled interview. You make sure to join the meeting 10 minutes before and also go through your admit card properly to know everything that's related to the interview. The next question that we had, some of the tips during the interview would be, please maintain eye contact. By eye contact, I mean to look at the camera and talk to the person in front of you. That would really give them a glimpse of who you are. They'll really like to have an eye-to-eye contact during an interview. And make sure you properly look at the camera while talking to the person. The second is to have a really good internet connectivity. Having a good internet connectivity will really help you, because in case there is some shortage in your internet, it will really affect your interview, as you will be mentally having the issue of how my internet will be. The question will be really there in your mind, and that will affect your interview. Hence, please have a good internet connectivity during the process so that your process goes smoothly. Apart from that, we, the admission committee, will always be there to support you during the entire journey to make the process as seamless as possible. With this, we come to the end of the question and answer session.
Hello. Thank you, dear aspirants, for joining today for the WeConnect event. Know your VG.
Hello. Can I ask one question?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So where can I get AdCom the AdCom numbers details, like to contact them?
It's there in the website of VGSOM.
Yeah. Okay. And one other question. So, are classes gonna start for online or offline for the next batch?
We cannot answer that question at present, but once you convert the call, you will be getting details regarding that in mail.
Okay. Thank you.
So I'm sure this webinar gave you an idea of how your campus life can be, provided the classes are held offline next time, or we are not sure of that. And also how you would like to proceed for the PI rounds, which is upcoming in few days for every one of you. So we have posted a YouTube playlist link. This is the video series which was latest presented by the admission committee. This is the video series is named The Last Lap. This will help you in achieving wonders and come out with flying colors in the last stage, that is the PI round. So do check out the videos. Hope they'll be useful for you all.
Also, guys, I've posted the link to our page where you can find all the details of the ADCOM members, as well as the links to all our social media handles. Anytime, you can always ask your queries or reach out to us on our Facebook query handling page, Pagal Guy. So, yeah.
This Just a question, where to find those video links?
It has been posted in the chat box itself. Can you see the Zoom chat box?
Yeah, sorry, I think I was late to join. Could you just share it once again? Or if you tell me where it is, I will
Yeah,
just search for the page.
yeah, we'll tell you. In the YouTube, you just have to search VGSOM admission and you'll find all the series that we made this year over there.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
No issues. Ashay?
Thank you, Ashwati. So, with this, we come to the end of the WeConnect session. Thank you, dear aspirants, for joining today for this session. We are extremely grateful for your enthusiastic response. It was a pleasure to host you all. I, on the behalf of Admissions Committee at VGSOM IIT Kharagpur, would like to especially thank my fellow batchmates Nandagopal and Aditi for joining us this evening and shedding light on multiple aspects of VGSOM. We hope that we could give you a brief idea of VGSOM and could resolve most of your queries which you had in your minds. We wish you all the very best for the upcoming interviews. Stay calm and give your best. We hope to see you soon at VGSOM IIT Kharagpur. Thank you. You may now leave the